Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to find add nearby friends on Snapchat. So it is super easy and simple to add your nearby friends on Snapchat. You can easily do it within few steps. So first you have to open the Snapchat app. Once the app gets open, it will take you to your home page where you can just simply click pictures. It may ask you for some of the permissions, so you just have to simply allow them. Then after that, you have to click onto your profile icon, which is on the top left. Then you will get to this page. You have to scroll down a bit. You will see the option Snap Map. Simply click onto it and allow it for your location access. Then it will just take a while to load, and after that, it will just take you to your nearby space where your location is located. Once you enable your location, it will automatically show you those people who are nearby you in your suggestion. Secondly, you have to make sure that your ghost mode is disabled. You can just simply check out by clicking on your avatar. Make sure that it is disabled, and the second thing is that you can just simply click onto the map and then you will see some of the people that are nearby you. If you like them, you can click onto their name, and after that you can add them. You can add them as much as you would like to. Also, you will see your nearby people in your suggestions, so from there you can also add them. So that's how you can find and add your nearby friends on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.